Yeah, there is that.
Careful, guys.
Bet they can pick something up like a bit of
Yeah, so you can start with I'm going to check that because I have 3 special assistants.
Get Daniel's out. Oh, Emma, you would say. Kiss well. Not too much, it's enough.
First Officer Harry Wilson, a very warm welcome on board this EasyJet service bound for Glasgow. First of all, apologies for the delay to your service this morning. We started off with an air traffic control restriction delaying our departure from Glasgow, and then spent about 20 minutes in a holding pattern south of Glasgow, south of Gatwick before starting our approach. So that's put us behind schedule. The good news is everybody's now on board, which is finalising the paperwork, and then we'll close the doors. And staff at the moment are unable to take them off the aircraft. They are fun for somebody to come out to try and fix those, but until those have been removed, obviously we are unable to push back off the stand. So we'll keep you up to date best as we can. I don't have an ETA as yet as to when that engineer should arrive, but hopefully it shouldn't be too much longer before you have you on your way. We do ask for a moment you may take it with your seatbelt fastened until we get on our way. The steps at the rear of the aircraft have now finally been fixed and removed. We've just spoken to air traffic control. We should be on our way in the next couple of minutes. I would like to thank you for your patience. We'll get you to Glasgow as quickly as we can.
We do recommend that you keep your seatbelt loosely fastened wherever you are seated. There are 3 toilets on board this aircraft, 1 at the front and 2 at the rear. These may only be used when the seatbelt signs are switched off and are all fitted with highly sensitive smoke detectors. Smoking is not permitted on board this aircraft at any time, and this includes the use of e-cigarettes. If you do choose to move around the cabin today, please take care when opening overhead lockers in case any items have moved around and do fall out. Cabin crew will shortly join you in the cabin with their onboard service. We do have a wide selection of hot, cold and alcoholic drinks, as well as sweet and savoury snacks, with something for everyone. Also, due to our catering shortage, we do not have any fresh sandwiches on board today's flight. This includes the hot and the cold options. We do apologise for the inconvenience, but we do have our porridge and noodle pots, all the snack boxes, chicken kormas and the tomato pastas. We do also have our chocolate, crisps and olives. Please take a look in the in-flight magazine for all our products and prices. We do only accept card payment, we cannot accept cash, and it would greatly assist the cabin crew where possible. You can have your order ready when we do join you in the cabin. Now please sit back, relax and enjoy the flight.
We're currently flying in a northwesterly direction at 28,000 feet. We've got about 180 miles left to go back to Glasgow. We're just passing Manchester. It's about 20 miles off the left of the aircraft. It's looking like we'll be on the ground at about 10 to the hour, and then on stand a few minutes afterwards. Weather at the moment, it's improving actually. Light winds, a few clouds are reported, thankfully no rain, and it's 14 degrees. Forecast is for the weather to improve as well throughout the day. That's all from me for the time being. If there's any significant changes, I'll get back to you with an update. But for now, sit back, relax, enjoy the rest of the flight, and thank you for flying with EasyJet.
Are safely stowed. Your tray table must be stowed, armrests down, window blinds open, and your seatbelt fastened, ready for landing. Please review the safety card found in your seat pocket as it contains important safety information. In an emergency, leave all baggage on board. Please help us by handing in any rubbish, newspapers or magazines that you do not want to take with you. The toilets can no longer be used.
overhead lockers in case anything falls out. Smoking is not permitted inside each designated smoking area. Did you know that we offer an unbeatable price guarantee on package holidays? Whether you're after a city break or a beach holiday, we've got thousands of backpacks hotels for you to choose from. Simply search EasyJet Holidays and start planning your next getaway. We would like to thank you for flying with us. We look forward to welcoming you on board again soon. Our 40th birthday. So we, on behalf of the captain, the crew and your friend Jacka, Gemma, we do wish you a happy 40th birthday. We hope you all have a fabulous weekend here in Glasgow. Gemma is sitting in row 16. So once again, have a fabulous time, Gemma. Happy 40th. Ladies and gentlemen, we're journey from the airport. Thank you and a very good morning.